Hey there, how you doing? This is Felix. Hope you're all doing great. And today, this is going to be a short video. I wanted to just ask you a question. What would an extra $447.30 a day make to your bottom line for you or your family? What if you could double it or triple it? You get my drift. Imagine you do have it. How would you feel? You could do a lot of things with that money. Pay your bills, set it aside for your kids' college fund, or other expenses you might have. Basically, all of a sudden, you could do things you couldn't afford before. Now you're going to say, Felix, are you talking about affiliate marketing? If yes, then I tried it and it didn't work for me. Then I'll tell you, you were taught wrong. There is literally a secret that most gurus that really make a lot of money with affiliate marketing are not talking about. And in reality, it's not really a secret. Have you ever heard of NerdWallet or Credit Karma or a website called Expedia? If you don't live under a rock, then you probably did. Do you know that these websites don't have any products or services which they offer that belongs to them? If you do, then all of a sudden you realize the business model they employ is affiliate marketing. So the answer is they don't employ just affiliate marketing, but a hub-centric affiliate marketing. It's where you don't promote each and every product's link separately, where you plaster the same link all over the internet that the other person does. Instead, you will promote your own site, which will be a hub, because it will contain multiple different products that would generate multiple streams of income for you. And all you do is promote your own link. And what if I tell you you don't need to buy a confusing course to learn about it, but instead you will get a done-for-you hub preloaded with awesome products which already generated for the company that created it $300,000 per month. All you have to do is brand it to yourself and make it your own. If you are curious about it, then click on the video pop up somewhere, either here or there, somewhere around here, and watch a video where I speak about the strategy more in depth and post some of my results for you to see that you can definitely do it as well. So for now, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the like button so you can get more notifications about more videos where I talk about ways of earning an income 100% online, being anywhere in the world as long as you have a laptop, PC, or your cell phone. And if you do have a question, comment below with it and I'll definitely reply to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.